Greetings. Welcome back to the Mindful Internetpreneur. Today's focus is a vital one for digital entrepreneurs and marketers alike: enhancing creativity. Many of us face creative blocks, especially when stress or overwork weighs us down. But mindfulness meditation can be a powerful tool to restore your energy, open your mind, and inspire fresh ideas. Have you ever had creative blocks due to stress or overwork? Creative blocks often stem from mental exhaustion, constant pressure to produce, or simply feeling overwhelmed by expectations. These experiences These experiences gradually affect your creative flow and make it harder to generate fresh ideas. You notice this happening when stress builds up. The brain's capacity for innovation slows, ideas become scarce, motivation fades, and the satisfaction you get from your work begins to decline. B, you might notice yourself postponing projects or procrastinating, unsure whether your ideas are good enough to pursue, and frequently second-guessing your creative choices. C, repetitive patterns may emerge, where you keep revisiting old concepts instead of experiencing breakthroughs. D, negative self-talk and self-doubt often accompany creative blocks, leading to a reluctance to take risks or try new approaches. E, over time, the joy and excitement you once felt for your creative work is replaced by pressure and fatigue, making it harder to stay engaged and inspired. And finally, F, without finding ways to recharge and step back, this cycle becomes harder to break, affecting both the quality and originality of your creative output. The mindful solution: regular mindfulness meditation to foster new ideas and restore energy. Mindfulness meditation helps by 1, calming the mind. It reduces stress hormones, helping your brain relax and refocus. 2, creating mental space. Meditation clears mental clutter so new connections and insights can surface. 3, boosting presence. Being fully in the moment increases awareness of inspiration in everyday life. And 4, nurturing self-compassion. This reduces fear of failure and promotes risk-taking in creative endeavors. By making mindfulness meditation a consistent practice, you train your mind to tap into creativity more easily and sustain your energy over time. And now here's some mindful practical tips to integrate mindfulness meditation for creativity. A, start small and consistent. Even 5 to 10 minutes daily can make a difference. B, focus on breath or body sensations. This grounds your attention and quiets racing thoughts. C, experiment with guided meditations. Use creativity-focused meditation apps or videos to inspire your sessions. D, combine with journaling. After meditation, jot down any ideas or insights that came up. E, create a creative ritual. Meditate before starting work or brainstorming to set an open, mindful tone. And F, be patient. Creativity ebbs and flows. Meditation builds resilience for when blocks arise. So, in closing, your invitation to creative flow: Creativity is a renewable resource when nourished with mindful care. By embracing meditation as part of your routine, you invite new energy and ideas into your work and life. What kind of mindful meditation will you try this week to boost your creativity? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe, like, and share for more mindful marketing inspiration from the Mindful Internetpreneur. Remember, creativity flows best when your mind is calm, open, and present. Thank you for watching. Stay mindful.